from heaven down to activate them on the earth. That's why Jesus said, that his will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Just for you. Whenever you're feeling alone and lonely, you think about this. If there was no one else in the world, no one, Jesus would have still did what he did. Just for you. If you were the only person in the world, Jesus would have still gave his life just for you. Hallelujah. Come on, let's clap our hands to God. Let's give God some glory. God sent his only begotten Son. Just for you. Just for you. Christ died. Gave up his life so that he could live in us. So that he could fill us. That's why he told him, he said, tarry ye into the upper room until the promise of the Father has come upon you. And he shall lead and guide you. Jesus said this, he said, and greater works shall ye do, for I go unto the Father. He didn't mean in magnitude. He meant you're going to have more time. I only have 3.5 years. So greater work shall you do. Because you'll be able to reach more. Because you'll have more time. I've got 3.5 years. And when it was all over, they said about those 12 men, they said, for these 12 men have turned the world upside down. They was preaching at Jesus. They was talking about Christ. They was willing to be beat for Christ. Go to prison for Christ. And whatever. They said these 12 men have turned the world upside down. Imagine what we could do if we were just on the same page and we just remember he did it.